Today I have a new friend with me here and I have just heard that DJI released a firmware update for the Pocket 3 which will make it better hopefully. So let's check it out together. If you are new here, my name is Flash and I am a content creator for over 8 years now, and here on this channel I talk about my passion, which is tech related stuff, as you can see, and of course cameras. So if you want to see more content about the Pocket 3, don't forget to subscribe. And the first thing that we should do to get the update is to power on the Pocket 3, of course. So I'm rotating my screen and what's happening? Nothing? Huh? This is a bug. Okay, it does nothing. Let me try again. Okay. Not on the first try. So we have image here and 12% battery on the handle. Cool. Connect through the Mimo app on your phone to the DJI Pocket 3. So I will hit join here to connect to the camera and it is connected. Back to home, downloading firmware already. Let's see what is new and what will improve on the camera. So we now have D-Log-M 10-bit and HLG 10-bit modes. When shooting in slow-mo, this is very nice because color grading the Pocket 3 footage is easy, and I will talk about it in one of the future videos, so don't forget to check it out also, because I repeat, it is very easy and quick. There's an added built-in mic audio backup function in the settings. Better to be safe than sorry, you know. We now have support for filming in 1080p 50 or 60 FPS in webcam mode. Is there anyone here that uses the Pocket 3 as a webcam? Tell me in the comments please, because I am very curious if it is reliable when used as a webcam. Maybe I should try this out. We now have support for selfie flip in time-lapse shooting mode. Okay, I'm not sure about selfie flip. Auto power off function when a transmitter is not connected to a device and it is not recording independently for more than 15 minutes, the transmitter will automatically power off. DJI Mic 2 transmitter has now optimized performance and connection stability. This is pretty nice, and we now have some guides, 2.35 by 1, and some minor bugs. Maybe the one that we've encountered earlier, which made the Pocket 3 not turn on. Maybe that bug was fixed, I hope. Oh, it is stuck at 50% because I didn't click install. You should click install. Okay, and now it is installing. My bad. Come on, update. 2 minutes. Oh my god, 2 minutes. Hopefully you have a soda with you. Okay, so the update is done. Let's click done here, and the DJI Pocket 3 has turned on. My phone is searching for the Pocket 3. I should really charge my handle, my battery grip. Good. Join. Updated. Nice. We got all the info on the screen, and okay, we are connected. So right now we are in the normal video mode on the Pocket 3, and the settings right here on the color side did not change. The things that changed should be right here on, wait a bit. So on the slow-mo menu, okay, on the slow-mo setting, and as you can see, my slow-mo setting was in normal color and we didn't have the possibility to change it to D-Log, and now we have HLG 10-bit and also D-Log-M. So this is very nice because you can bring all your footage in post in DaVinci, let's say, and you can apply your same color correction or color grading plus color correction over your clips. You should not try to sort them out like I was doing until now. I was applying my color settings on a batch of clips that was filmed in the normal mode, and then when I've had a slow-mo sequence from the DJI camera, I was paying attention not to apply the same grade as on the other clips. So yeah, this is very nice. And if we change the FPS to 100, okay, let me see. Yes, on 100 FPS, if you live in a PAL country, works also with 10-bit, which is pretty nice because when I am outside at night, I always use 25, 50 or 100 FPS. If I'm not doing this, all the lights on the street will blink like crazy. So yeah, pretty nice. Built-in mic audio backup. So what this does is that you have your external microphone connected on your shirt and you're recording, but the camera also does a backup recording of the Osmo Pocket 3 in the memory card. And if somehow your on chest microphone fails, or maybe you hit it and the audio gets distorted, or it is not pleasant for the viewer to listen to it, you can swap the audio to the built-in mic backup from the SD card and you should be good. This is nice. Let's go back to night mode, low light, and I wanna see here if we can change something about the color, but no, DJI didn't bring any D-Log 10-bit option for the low light mode. This is unfortunate, but maybe in the future, who knows, if the processor of the DJI camera is powerful enough, they might bring it out in the future without any problem. But if this thing is limited by the CPU of this camera, maybe it is impossible and we might see it just in the Osmo Pocket 4 a few years later, who knows. By the way, after using the Pocket 3 for, let's say, 3 weeks right now, I have discovered only one con about this camera, and there is only one thing that I can complain about, and I will put it up in this video before my full review for the Pocket 3, which will come pretty soon. And the biggest con of this camera is the microSD card slot. If you have your nails cut short like me, because I don't like to have huge nails or not even medium nails, I like them very short and I cut them very often, it is impossible for you to get the SD card out. It is very hard, very, very hard, almost impossible. Right now, I cannot take out my SD card to offload my footage, and what I do to do that is to bring another microSD card and push the card that's inside with the other card, and then I can remove it. Yeah, it is pretty annoying. And also to insert a new card, I do the same process all over again because my finger cannot push the card far enough so it locks in place. So yeah, this was my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit the like button and check the low light, extreme low light test of the Pocket 3 right here.
They call me a